In the previous class, we have learned about the order of rotational symmetric and line of symmetric. I hope you all understood the previous concept. If you have any doubt in the previous concept, you will ask me. Today we are going to learn about the worksheet problems 1 and 2 related to the symmetry. Okay. The first worksheet 1 and 2 are the homework. Okay. Third one, name the figure which has 3 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 3. Name a figure which has 3 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order is 3. Okay, so name that the equilateral triangle, is it? So equilateral triangle having the 3 sides are equal, 3 angles are equal, and then the line of symmetry is also 3. And order of rotation also 3. So answer is equilateral triangle. Okay. So third one. First two are homework. Okay. Figure is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. 3 lines of symmetric. Is it? It has 3 lines of symmetric. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 line of symmetric. And order of rotation is also 3. Order of rotation, for example, A, B, C. Line symmetry. Order of rotation. This is the original. Okay. Original position. Okay, so A, B, C. A, okay, the first one, and next one of the order 60 degrees, right? And next one of that A, B, C, 120 degree. So order of rotation I have drawn. Okay, and third one okay. So each having the first turn. Okay, 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So order of rotation is 1, 2, 3. Okay, order of rotation is 3. Okay, so name of the figure is equilateral triangle. And next one, fourth one, say the type of line symmetric and rotational symmetry found in the circle. Say the type of line symmetric. So infinite number of line symmetric. Okay, and also order of rotation also infinite. Okay, so fourth one answer is Infinite number of solution. Infinite number of line symmetry. Line symmetry. And then infinite number of rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Okay, right. And fifth one, how many lines of symmetry will have a regular polygon of n sides? So regular polygon n sides means an n line of symmetries. So fifth one is 5 means 5 line of symmetry. Here n line of symmetry is given. So n line of symmetry. Sixth one, which geometrical figure has no line symmetry but has a rotational symmetry? So parallelogram, okay, you know that parallelogram. Parallelogram has no line symmetry but it has a rotational symmetry. Does the figure of S have a rotational symmetry? Yes, have a rotational symmetry. Yes, only you have right. Seventh one. Yes, S has rotational symmetry. Okay, draw a regular hexagon and draw all the possible lines of symmetry in it. Okay, so hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. Okay, you have draw the hexagon and draw the line of symmetry. So it having the 6 line symmetry is having, is it? So you will draw the regular hexagon. Okay, that is a homework. So now see the 9 and 10. Ninth one. Name 3 letters of the English alphabet which are symmetrical about their vertical axis and horizontal axis. This also we have written in the exercise problem. We say which are that? H, X and I. Okay, this is having the horizontal and vertical also. Is it? Okay. Thus H, X, I are the satisfy the horizontal axis and vertical axis of the line of symmetries. Okay. And 10th one. A square has 4 line of symmetry. Yes. 9th one. 8th one homework. Okay. So 10th one. First one. A square has 4 line of symmetry. Yes, true. B. A rectangle has 4 line of symmetry. No, having the 2 only. Okay, so false. A parallelogram has 2 line of symmetry. It has no line of symmetry, so it's also false. A scalar triangle has 3 line of symmetry. It's also having no line of symmetry. So the given statement is false. Okay. And E. A circle has 4 line of symmetry. It's also wrong. Infinite number of line of symmetry. So the given statement is false. Okay, that's it. Worksheet 2. Worksheet 2, the first 3 are 2 are homework. Okay, now do the third one, true or false. Worksheet 2, third one. The rotational symmetry of a circle is infinite. True or false? The rotational symmetric. It's true. Is it? Infinite. The first one, A, is true. Infinite, that's also infinite. And the letter Z has rotational symmetric. Yes. This is the original, and second position is like that, and third. Yeah. So it having the order of rotation. Okay. So order of rotation is there. So the letter Z has the rotational symmetry. True. Okay. And C, the letter E has no order of rotational symmetry. Yes. So it's also true. A regular hexagon has rotational symmetry of order 6. So regular hexagon having the sides are 6. So line of symmetry also 6. The order of rotation also 6. So the given statement is true. The letter M has rotational symmetry of order 2. M has rotational symmetry? No. Is it? So it's false. Okay. And fourth one. Name the following triangles. No line of symmetry. Triangle la edukuma line of symmetry kadayave kadayadhu. Scalene triangle. So first one solution, scalene. Scalene triangle. B1. Only one line of symmetry, isosceles triangle. Three line of symmetry, equilateral triangle. Okay. So answer for fifth one solution 4. Okay, 4. And sixth one. Name a quadrilateral which has exactly 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry is rectangle, is it? Seventh one. Name the 3 figures which have 1 line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry. 1 line irukum but it's not having the rotational symmetry. Isosceles triangle. Okay. Isosceles triangle. Any other? 1 line of symmetry. Name 3 figures. 3 figures உள்ளிருக்காங்க. Figures which have 1 line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry. W, M, okay, W, 1 line of symmetry, no rotational symmetry. That's why M is also 1 line of symmetry, okay, but not having the rotational symmetry. So these 3 are the figures. Name 3 figures which are only 1 of line symmetric. Okay. And 8th one. Find the order of rotational symmetry for the following. So star is given. So order of rotation is also 5. You have draw A, B, C like that. After rotate one position. Okay. After you have write the order of rotation. So 8th one is homework. Okay. And 9th one. What is the order of rotational symmetry of the following? So hexagon. Regular hexagon has a 6 line of 6. Order of rotational symmetric is 6. And letter N is 1. N rotate panna enna varum. This is the original position. Second one. Second one. And next we get the so 2. Order of rotation is 2. Okay. Second one is order of rotation 2. That same one we have write the hexagon. 6 rotations are there. Okay. So you will draw. So 8th and 9th problem you will draw and write the order of rotational symmetrics. Okay. So 8 and 9 are homework. And 10th one, name a triangle which has no line of symmetric and no order of symmetry. So name a triangle. Clearly is asking. So which triangle? So scale and triangle has no line of symmetric and no order of symmetric. 10 to 1. Scale and triangle has no line of symmetry and no order of rotation. So scale and triangle has no line of symmetry and no order of rotation, rotational symmetry. Okay, that's it. So in this unit completed, that's it. The symmetry, unit 11 symmetry is completed. In this chapter we have learned the line of symmetric, reflection symmetric, is it, and then order of rotation and angle of rotation also we have learned. As a line of symmetry means a figure or a shape divided by a line segment into two equal halves, two identically halves. That is called the line symmetric. Reflection symmetric means reflection flips as across the line. Is it across that line? They will get the mirror image. We get the mirror image. That is called the reflection symmetric. And order of rotation means a complete rotation of the object is called the order of rotation. Okay, so order of rotation we have calculated using the formula 360 degree by x. Is it? Order of rotation, how can you find out? 360 degree by x. X is called the angle of rotation. X is called the angle of rotation. Okay, I hope you all understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask it out to me. Now I will write the homework. Worksheet 1, 1 to 8. Worksheet 2, 1 to 8 and 9. Everyone should do the homework properly. If you have any doubt in the given homework problem, you should ask to me. Thank you, students.